everyone, welcome to my page. Today I'm here with another unboxing. Apple must have some kind of spell on me because in the past few weeks I've bought 3 Apple products. I've upgraded from my 12 Pro Max to the 14 Pro Max. Check that video out if you haven't seen it. I got my first pair of AirPods, the Pros, and today I picked up the Series 8 watch. I'm really happy about this because it's my first Apple Watch. And I came from Fitbit. I've been with Fitbit for 5 to 6 years, so I know it's gonna be an upgrade with the quality of the watch. Hopefully they have a lot of good fitness stuff on it, but I read a lot of good things, so I'm happy to see how it is. I got the sports band in Starlight, and the size that I got was 45. I heard that a lot of females get the 41. I really don't know anything about these watches, so I think 41. And I decided to go for bigger. And I decided to go for newer because I could have got the Series 7, but I want this watch to last for a long time because I don't plan on upgrading anytime soon. So here's the box. About to open it now. I cannot wait to see this. And here is the band. So first we'll open up the band. Information. Some more info and directions on how to put the band on the watch. See if I can get it out of here. Struggling. Oh, there we go. That's what the color looks like. I got the small medium band. And now for the watch. I cannot believe I've never had an Apple Watch. Like, I've always had all the Apple products, from the iPods, the iPads, the phones. I had Fitbit, Polar Watch. I used all the exercise kind of watches because that's all I needed it for. But I was like, why not? Looks like this is some more info on the watch, maybe some directions. The charger. Of course, you have to get your own little block. Here's the watch. So tiny and cute. Okay, let's open it. This is what it looks like. So I guess now I need to turn it on and put the bands on. So this is a closer view of the watch. And this is my Fitbit. So that's the size difference. Another thing that I liked about the Series 8 that I heard about, it has the always on display. So like my Fitbit, you would have to kind of move your arm to get everything to come up. So this is the face gallery, whatever you want to be on your screen. You can have a picture collage of your own, or you can pick any of these. Some of them move, some of them don't. And you can customize some with any color you want. You can also do this on your watch. These are some of the Apple Watch faces that I saved. So far, I'm loving this watch. I have a lot to learn about it because I do not know how to use a lot, but I should get the hang of it in a week, maybe a few days. But it's really cute.
It's 7:49.
I just love that little thing. That's how it looks on my arm, being a 45. I don't think it's too bad. If you know me, you know I had to get something cute for my watch. I ended up getting this rose gold faceplate and watch band. I had to get so many links removed so it can fit my small wrist, but it fits perfect now. I didn't want my watch looking like a plain Fitbit or something because it costs so much. So I want it to look good. When I work out, I'll probably switch it back to the workout band though. Anyways, but that's it. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. Bye.